Hi, my name is John C. Aaron J. Montilla. I'm 16 years old, and my hobbies are playing basketball and playing drums. First of all, where did my name come from? Many people ask this. My parents got it from a famous basketball player.
I grew up in a simple family. We did not own everything, but we had love and support. Those early years taught me the value of hard work and appreciation for the little things. I remember how I used to dream big to study well, make my family proud, and one day achieve something meaningful. But as I grew older, life started to test me. School got harder, responsibilities become heavier. Sometimes I failed, sometimes I felt like I was not enough. There were nights I questioned myself, can I really do this? Yet I realized that failure is not in the end. It means you're trying. Every time I fail, I choose to stand up again. That's how I discover my own strength. Life is not about being perfect. It's about learning, changing, and growing. You face moments of doubt, sadness, and even fear, but each one taught me something valuable. Patience, courage, and faith. I learned that success is not measured by how fast you reach your goal, but by how strong you stay while chasing it. Today I continue to dream big. I want to make a difference, not just for myself, but for my family and community. I want to prove that no matter where you come from, you can rise, you can improve, and you can inspire others. My song is not finished yet. Every day I'm writing a new page, full of lessons, hopes, and small victories. I stand as a work in progress, someone who was come far but still has so much to learn and become. I carry my past with me, not as a burden, but as a reminder of how far I've come. My story is not defined by one single moment, but by the many experiences that have shaped my heart, my beliefs, and my vision for the future. Family, friends, and relationships have shaped me too. I've learned the value of connection, of being there for others and letting them be there for me. Some relationships last and others did not, but each one taught me something important about love, trust, and self-worth. I was born into a world I did not yet understand, but curiosity was always a part of me. My childhood was filled with a mix of simple joys and early lessons. There were moments of laughter, family gatherings, and milestones that seemed small at the time but now feel significant. Alongside those memories were challenges, times when life did not go as expected, and I had to learn to adapt, to patient, and to keep going even when it was hard. Through the years, I discovered what truly matters, believing in myself and never losing hope. I realized that each person has their own timeline. Some may succeed early, others later, and that's okay. What's important is that we keep going and never stop trying. I also learned to value the people who support me, my family, friends, and teachers, because they are the ones who remind me that I'm not alone in my journey. My family became my greatest source of strength. They inspired me to keep going, to be strong, and to never lose faith. Every sacrifice they make reminds me why I should keep chasing my dreams. I also learned to value my friends and teachers who supported me along the way. People who believed in me even when I doubted myself. In the end, my life story is not just about what I've been through. It's about how I become stronger because of those experiences. Every chapter, every struggle, and every success has its purpose. And top my story is still being written. I know one thing for sure. I will continue to fight, to dream, and to believe in myself. Because at the end of the day, My life story is not about where I started. It's about how far I've come and how much further I can go to.